One of the #1 reasons people have issues with their snowblower is because they let rust take over and damage its vital components. Holes in the bucket, controls breaking, wheels seizing on, all problems that could have been avoided had they rust-proofed their snowblower. That's why I came up with Snowblower School, a full 45-minute course on how to rust-proof your entire snowblower from stem to stern, getting in all the nooks and crannies, helping your snowblower last longer, clog less often, and possibly throw a little further too. Let me take you to school. Below this video, in the description, there are links labeled Snowblower School Rust-Proofing ebook. It'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase the course for $9.99. If you purchase on Etsy, you can download a PDF version of the course. If you don't use Amazon or Etsy, you can email me at garagegearjb@gmail.com. From there, I'll send you an invoice and you can PayPal me for the course. Whether you're getting your snowblower ready for the next winter storm or tucking it away for storage, give your snowblower the complete attention that it needs to help it last a lifetime.